Hi friends, welcome to Bachelor's Home. This is especially for bachelors. Guys, now I'm going to show you how to make spicy chicken fry by making use of electric rice cooker. Before preparing chicken fry, first clean the chicken pieces properly and keep aside. For this, the ingredients you require are: first, switch on the rice cooker. Once you feel the hotness from that, add 3.5 tablespoons of oil. After getting bubbles in it, add half tablespoon of cumin seeds to it. Once it's splutter, add onions, chilies and stir it well. And then add few curry leaves and fry it properly. Let the onions start to a golden brown. If in between the process rice cooker gets turned off, no need to worry. Add 2 tablespoons of water and continue the process. Now add clean chicken pieces to it and stir well. After that, add 1.5 tablespoon of salt to it and mix gently. Now add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala to it. If you are having dhania powder, you can add that also. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Now stir well often. If in between the process cooker gets off, no need to worry. Add 1/4 glass of water and continue the process. In between the process, check whether the chicken pieces are properly cooked or not. Now close the lid and wait for 5 minutes. And then add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and mix all the ingredients properly. Now close the lid and wait till the cooker gets off. If you feel chicken pieces are not cooked properly, add 1/4 cup of water to it and switch on the rice cooker again. Now close the lid and wait for the result. That's it guys, delicious chicken fry is ready to serve. If you want it more spicy, increase the quantity of ingredients. A small health tip for you guys. Tomatoes have antiseptic properties which will help in easily removing the clogging of the pores. So mash a few tomatoes and use its juice as well as its peel to treat your face. You have to apply a generous amount of tomato juice on the nose and the face where blackheads appear. Apply it and leave it on the skin overnight. This will help in drying up your blackheads. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times a week to remove the blackheads from nose naturally. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel.